Hello people. Man, it's good to be back from vacation. Can work on the boat again. So I moved the trailer out of the way, pulled the boat outside, gave it a bath. I haven't waxed it yet, but just giving it a bath, man, I'm feeling really good about it. Just a couple little things to do. Put the interior back together, put the rub rail on, and I'm going to wax it, and I have to do the decals on the starboard side. So we'll see what we get done today. Stay tuned.
But it's not showing up.
It's not showing up.
The Yamaha.
Is your Wi-Fi on?
Yeah. Turned it on, so I go to the app and it's just giving me demo.
Refresh the app. Close it out. I don't care.
Can't wait to get on the water. Do you think we're gonna roast our ass?
No, you're on the water. Does it matter? Alright. Hot as shit, but we look cool. Well guys, it's been about a week since that last clip. I got busy and it rained yesterday. Today, it looks okay. But if I run to the house really fast, it's because it's raining and I'm so sweet I'll melt. Anyway, today I'm gonna bring the heat. So I gotta put some heat fuel treatment in this because it's sat for about 1.5 years, and hopefully this works because I don't really feel like draining the entire tank. And look at this. Yeah, my sick ass wrap job. I told you guys I didn't think I liked it, and now I'm sure I don't. So I'll figure out something to do with that. See, that gas cap looks like garb. That's why I put that wrap on there. You guys think I should get a stainless one? Put a little bit more stainless on this thing? Let me know in the comments. I did a little something, but I didn't film it because I didn't know what I was doing. I didn't know how it would turn out. What do you guys think of this pinstriping? I haven't done the other side yet, so maybe I'll get a little video of me doing the pinstriping on this side, but this is the side without, just for comparison. I've already been in touch with my graphics person and told her probably this fall I'll have her remake those, because when I put them on, I kind of creased them in a couple spots and I'm just not happy with it, so we'll have her redo them. What do you guys think of that? I like it better than the black on black. That blue's pretty close to this graphic. I mean, it's off a little bit, but it's pretty close. And I think it's the little things, guys. That looks pretty good. How about we take a look at doing some cup holders in the upholstery? I say we go for it. So this is either gonna work or I'm gonna reupholster this boat earlier than I wanted to. So stay tuned. Well, that wasn't so bad, huh, guys? That's the center hatch, and it used to be stainless or chrome or whatever you want to call it, and it was all marred up and scratched up, so I sanded it up and then painted it. But the paint is starting to chip, and I don't know that I really like it, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and try and vinyl wrap it. So stay tuned for that. I might be able to get this thing wrapped before my battery dies. Hey guys, this camera's gonna die. I got like 2 minutes left on the SD card and 6% on the battery. So I'm gonna wrap this video here and then I'll show you the end result in the next video and do some pinstriping and stuff on the outside. I'll show you how I do that. Until then guys, thanks for watching. Peace, and I'm out.